Whoa, we got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or enveloping video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And see how we can get this open. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got some paper wadding, wrapped items, and our manifest. So let's see here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Again, large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. So we just got 2 items this time, but kind of needed them to help complete some other item sets. So you can see here, they are wrapped in their own bags. And let's start with this one here. This should be a Mosin Nagant Sling Russian original. So let's see what we got here. You can see here the canvas style belt, rubber band, and leather fittings, very nice condition. And buckle set with that kind of that green finish. And as well as these, let's do a quick magnet test. I am getting a magnetic hit on there, so we got some sort of steel, same with there, a little bit of a hit. And another look at the leather and the canvas, and definitely steel right there. But these look like brass. Nope, steel. Correction. Let's see if there's any markings. I don't think so. But very good condition. This is, again, Mosin Nagant Sling Russian original. Not sure of the year of production. Next up, again, in its own bag, should be a Spanish Mauser leather sling. Very good condition. Again, wrapped in its rubber band. And you can see here, kind of a brass buckle. Yeah, no magnetic hit at all on any of the fittings, so I don't need to handle that. It's a little stiff. I'm being careful here. This is literally the curve it has from all this time in storage. And you can see there, the rivet there, you can use to swing around into that position hole right there. But just give you an idea. Quick look. You see any markings? Help me out here. I don't see any. That's kind of cool the way it does that. Okay, so again, Spanish Mauser leather sling, very good. And then we start off with Mosin Nagant Sling Russian original. And again, these all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. This has been another unboxing or enveloping video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mauser tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.